Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Get ready to collect a pine log in RuneSlayer by preparing first. You must reach level 15 woodcutting to reliably chop pine trees. Equip an axe that works with your level before travel. Make sure you have at least one free inventory slot for a pine log when you arrive. Bring food or potions if the area is unsafe. Check your run energy and teleport options before committing to a tree. Plan your route to nearby banks or drop spots after you chop logs. Locate pine trees on the RuneSlayer map and walk beside one to begin. Stand next to a pine tree and use the chop action to start cutting wood. Continue chopping until you see a pine log appear in your inventory from the tree. Higher woodcutting levels increase how often you obtain a log per attempt. If monsters attack, step to a safe tile, then resume chopping to avoid losing progress. After collecting several logs, walk to a bank or drop them at a safe spot. Optimize your pine log gathering by planning storage and usage in advance. Store pine logs in the bank when near a banking point, or use them immediately for fletching, quests, or trading. Use temporary buffs or better axes to increase chopping speed and success rate while gathering. Balance how many logs you collect with inventory space and area risk to avoid unnecessary deaths. Repeat short runs that return to bank frequently to maximize yield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.